Hi boys and girls, today we're going to do adding tens and ones by drawing our tens and ones. So the first one was done for us. 25 plus 3 is 28. That's 2 tens and 8 ones. The next one is 16 plus 6. So if I look here, I have 16 and 6 more. That leaves me with what? 10, 20. Okay, so we have 16. I'm going to move 4 over to this side. That leaves me with 3 tens and 2 ones, which is 32. Okay. No, 22. Sorry, Mrs. Stewart goofed on that one. 22. Okay, now let's draw this one out. It will help us if we draw it. 20 and 6 plus 6. So now how many reds do I need to move over to the blue side to make a complete 10? Yeah, I need to move these 4 over here, and that makes a 10. So now I have 3 tens and 2 ones, which equals 32. Okay, on our next one, we're going to draw 20 and 9 plus 6. Okay, how many do I need to move over to the blue side to make a 10? Yep, just 1. And then that leaves us with 3 tens and 5 ones. So the answer is 35. Good, you're doing awesome. We just have 4 more problems. 29 plus 3. We're going to do 29 plus 3. I'm going to take this. How many reds do we need to move? Just 1. That makes a 10. So I have 3 tens and 2 ones, which equals 32. We have another 32. Good. On our next one, we really don't need to use our tens and ones because we know 29 plus 1 is 30. 2 more. 18 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, if I want to circle, oops, I did it backwards, didn't I? I'm just going to need 2 to move over to that side. So I have 2 tens, and how many left over? 3 ones, very good. And my last one, I can already see that we have 10 friends, so I don't need to draw this one out. 18 plus 2 is 20. Nice work, boys. Okay, if you look at the back, we just have plus 1s and plus 2s. No problem. You guys should be pros at this by now. Good job, boys and girls.